Hey, Mr. Stan 913 here. I'm at Lowe's and I'm going to go in and see today what they have out for spring. Looks like they're starting to bring the spring stuff out, so I'm going to walk around, take a look and see what they have in spring. I can see the grills are already out, but it looks like Lowe's is starting for spring. We just had snow the other day, so I'm going to check out if people are in spring fever. Why don't you join me? And before I go in, they still got the snow blowers outside. But the grills are starting to come out. Oh yeah, spring is upon us. 20-some days away. Look at that. I think that's lights on there. It is, yeah. Check that out. Containers are out. We need a few of these containers. Some of our Christmas stuff has started to break. Our containers that we put our Christmas stuff away, starting to crack because they're old. But yeah, they're getting set up. Look, canopies are out, gazebos. And here's what I like to look at. They got the seeds out. I'll be getting my seeds soon. Yeah, look at this. I like the dahlias because they go really high. You can pinch them and they can continue to grow. Oh yeah, look at this. Stuff's coming out. And this is just the beginning. Once we get outside, all the mulch will start coming in soon. All the heaters and stuff here will start going away. They'll start bringing, there's more spring stuff here. Look at that. That looks really cool. And the cushions are starting to come out. Yeah, here's the heaters right here. I mean, not the heaters. The heaters are right here. Here's all the heaters. They'll be going away. The air conditioners will be coming out. And then we'll have here's the cushions for your, yeah, they got a lot of new nice stuff here. Look at this. Wow, some nice designs. Something I highly recommend to get around your house are these taro stakes. They're really good. You know, this time of year, they run out quick, so I might buy a few of these today, these stakes. Put them around the house, keeps the ants away. Actually, it has borax in there and it kills them. But yeah, it's starting to come out. Let's see if I can go outside real quick and see what they got outside yet. Nothing yet. They're getting there. Pretty soon all the flowers will be out here. We still got about 2 months. It's going to get cold. It's still going to be cold. We'll have some warm trends, but it'll be cold. Yeah, they're getting ready. Got the hose things. I have this one right here, this hose holder. This is really good. I've had it for a few years now. It's metal, doesn't rust. Oh, little birds are out. There they go. Back inside now. Just walking around here, checking out what they got in Lowe's. We're getting there. Getting there, getting there, getting there. There's the rakes. Oh yeah, there's a lot of stuff I like. I love this stuff. I got 2 of these. Some good stuff here. Ah, this looks really cool. Grills are starting to get out here. A lot of, they don't have them out yet, but these flat grills are starting to become popular. We were thinking about getting one when our grill goes, but we take care of our grill pretty well. But these flat grills, yeah, I don't see any out right now. But here they are. Here's the flat grills. Yeah, these are pretty cool. I don't know what it'd be like, but we'd love to give it a shot. Yeah, these are pretty cool. But they're getting started here. They're getting started. So in a few more weeks, all of it will be out. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to receive future notifications, hit the bell. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Mr. Stan 913, walk around in Lowe's, checking it out and see if they have their spring stuff out. And they have started. I always like to come early, get my stuff early because it goes fast. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.